social camp. I'm taking a break. I eat some Chinese. I'm back on the soca. It's fat. Oh God! It's fat in the snow. Oh God! Yeah. If I was in Trinidad, oh, it's fantastic Friday tonight. Hey, we in the National Stadium. Oh God! Wherever the fete is, we mashing it up. Oh good. Watch snow in the car. I forget the door open and snow fall in the car. So I had to dust it out. You see? The snow still to the door. Still to the height of the door. I reach that part of the shoveling yet. I will now pick up the picnic them and I go start back shoveling about an hour and a half so we go check back in. Alright? We go and fet. We go and fet with the snow. We fetting with the snow. It's fat we like. It's fat we like. Hey. The soca. Oh God! Bring it.